Good morning, children. How are you all today? I'm fine, thank you. Now, children, we have started with lot of studies, isn't it? Y'all are doing maths concepts, y'all are doing English, y'all are doing story and rhyme. You have already done one rhyme, isn't it, children? Do you remember which rhyme it is? Vehicles. You have already done this. Can we all revise it one more time? Okay. Now, will you say with me, children? Title of the poem is Vehicles. Aeroplane, aeroplane up in the sky. Where are you going, flying so high? Over the hills and over the seas. Aeroplane, aeroplane, please take me. I hope you all have by hearted this rhyme. So here today I am going to teach you the next rhyme. Let us see what it is, children. Okay, the title of the poem is A Wise Old Owl. Now, children, you must have all seen some common birds, isn't it? Like crow, sparrow, pigeon, parrot. But today, let us see some other birds also. Oh, ostrich. Did you know, children? Ostrich is the largest bird and it is also the fastest running bird. It cannot fly. Did you know that? It is a bird, but it cannot fly. It can run very fast. Next, wow, we have the peacock here. Peacock is the national bird of India. It is very pretty and beautiful. And it dances when children? During the rainy season. Correct? It looks very pretty at that time. Next, we have penguin. Penguin is also a flightless bird. It cannot fly, but it can swim. It is a bird which can swim. Okay, children? Next, we have here the owl. An owl is a night bird. That means it can see during the night, in the dark. And did you know, children? The owl is a symbol of wisdom and it is the wisest bird. So, let us see now what the owl has got to say. Look here now, children. The title of the poem is A Wise Old Owl. Sit back and listen carefully. A wise old owl lived in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. We must all be like the wise old bird. Will you repeat after me, children? Let us do it one more time. A wise old owl lived in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. We must all be like the wise old bird. Okay, children. Now let us see the tune of this rhyme. Will you listen? Good children. The title of the poem is A Wise Old Owl. A wise old owl lived in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. We must all be like the wise old bird. Shall I say it one more time, children? A wise old owl lived in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. We must all be like the wise old bird. So that is the rhyme. Okay, children. Now, what do we learn from this rhyme, children? We should talk less and hear more. We should be patient. We should be patient and listen to things, observe the things, and we should talk less. Did you know, children? Because silence is golden. Okay. Will you listen to your mama? Okay. Okay, children. Now, what we have here? It is activity time. We have learned the rhyme. We need to do some activity, isn't it? Some fun time for you all. So here, today, I'm going to teach you how to draw an owl in 8 easy steps. What you need for this, children? You need a blank piece of paper, a pencil and an eraser. And after you have done the drawing, you can also color it. Okay? And pin it up on your board. Okay, children, are you all ready? Follow the steps slowly and attentively. Listen to the steps by steps. We will start doing the drawing. Okay, children? Okay, children, we'll start with an owl. Okay, we'll draw that. Are you ready with your piece of paper and pencil? Okay, first step is draw a circle first step. Then you are going to draw 2 small circles for the eyes. This is the body. These will be the 2 eyes. The third step is draw a semicircle over the 2 small circles. This will be the head, the body, 2 eyes and head. Next, we'll draw a curved line on both the sides to make the wings. Next we'll draw a beak and we'll draw a rectangular here. Here rectangular and one rectangular here. Okay. Next we'll draw the eyes and shade them. We'll shade this also to give a nice effect. Okay, children. Now what is left? Legs to be done. And we'll do feathers here. See children, the owl is ready. You can also color it now. Okay? Oh, wow. I can see you have done the owl very beautifully, very neatly. What creativity you have got, children. Very good. Would you like to color it also? Okay, you can color it. And I hope you all have liked this rhyme and also the activity. Okay, children, thank you. I will see you again soon with something new interesting for you all. Okay, children, bye. Take care and listen to your mama. Okay? Bye, children. Thank you again.